Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn some of the most important irregular verbs in English. These are verbs you'll hear and use every single day. Let's get started. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat means to put food into your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. I usually eat breakfast at 7. We ate at a great Italian restaurant yesterday. He hasn't eaten his fruit. Why haven't you eaten your fruit? He hasn't eaten his vegetables either. I ate too much yesterday, so I didn't sleep well. I've eaten rice twice this week. I'd never eaten this kind of fish before. I haven't eaten sushi since I came back from Japan. Fall, fell, fallen. Fall means to move down accidentally or to drop from a higher place. Be careful, you might fall. He fell off his bike yesterday. When fall is followed by off, it means to fall from the top of something. He fell off a ladder. The elderly man has tripped and fallen. I can't find my wallet. It must have fallen out of my pocket. My mother-in-law has slipped, fallen, and broken her hip. My mother-in-law slipped, fell, and broke her hip last year. The leaves fall in autumn. Fall is also the American English word for autumn. In British English, people usually say autumn. Fall begins in September and ends in December. See, saw, seen. See means to notice something with your eyes. I can see the mountains from my window. We saw a beautiful sunset. I've never seen the Northern Lights, but they're on my bucket list. If you don't know what a bucket list is, check out my video about this useful English expression. I saw your mother at the market this morning. I hadn't seen her since they came back from England. I haven't seen her since she moved to London. I'd never seen this kind of bird around here before. Saw is also a noun. As a noun, a saw is a tool used for cutting wood, metal, or other materials. Example, he cut the wood with a saw. There are different types of saws in English. Hand saw, circular saw, chainsaw, jigsaw. You'll often see these names in DIY, woodworking, and construction. Saw is also the infinitive of another verb, to saw. To saw means to cut something with a saw. He is sawing a piece of wood. Great job! You've just learned some of the most common irregular verbs in English. Keep practicing them, and you'll hear and use them every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.